How to install the Microsoft Authenticator app on an Android mobile phone. As always, ensure you have internet connection or mobile data enabled. Open up the Play Store app. Click on search at the bottom, then in the search bar at the top, press in there, and when your keyboard appears, search for Microsoft Authenticator app. Select the Microsoft Authenticator app. Here you can see a bit of information about it. If you're ready to download and install it, simply click the blue install button. That will now start downloading to your phone. You'll get a progress report in the top left corner. Once it's downloaded, it'll then start installing. Once the app's downloaded and installed, you can open it direct from the Play Store by clicking the blue open button, or if you'd prefer to come out of the Play Store, scroll through your apps and an app icon should have been downloaded onto your phone. Click on that and that'll open the app. And that's how you install the Microsoft Authenticator app on an Android phone.